If you're ready to dig deep and transform your body with Insanity, Shaun T has a special offer just for you. Buy it through a Team Beachbody coach or on TeamBeachbody.com, and you get a brand new sweat-soaked bonus workout absolutely free.
What's up, Team Beachbody? This is Shaun T. I was so excited when I was asked to create a workout DVD that would be available exclusively for Team Beachbody members. It's called Fast and Furious, and it's a bonus workout included with the Insanity program and only available through Team Beachbody.
Fast and Furious, Insanity all the way.
So let me tell you about Fast and Furious. It's perfect when you're short on time. It's like getting a 45-minute Insanity workout packed into just 20 minutes. You have to get ready to dig deep on this one because you'll be sweating and gasping for air. It's just go, go, go.
Go, 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 go. Come on, go. You can do some work. Come on, y'all.
Push as hard as you can. No breaks, but the pain will be over sooner. Contact your Team Beachbody coach or go to TeamBeachbody.com to get Fast and Furious with your Insanity program today.
Good job, y'all. Way to work, way to work, way to work.